Hi, so we were getting lot of queries that sir, please include mains test series to your mains bootcamp batch. For those who don't know don't know yet about the mains bootcamp batch, so this is a comprehensive batch for your mains preparation, in which first of all we will be making you revise the entire syllabus through the day long classes by ensuring that you are making on the spot summaries along with proper enrichment. And then let's say if you are having day long class on Monday, on Tuesday and Wednesday you will be having live practice on daily basis. So on Tuesday you will be having test of 1 hour followed by 1 hour of discussion and enrichment. Then on Wednesday you will having a test of 1 hour followed by discussion or enrichment. Then on Thursday again you have the day long class. Then on Friday and Saturday you have the daily test. So it's a rigorous but very practical manner of going through the mains preparation. So the ideology of day long class will be that you are covering a substantial portion with your own, what I can say, on the spot summaries with proper value management, introductions, conclusions, structures, everything in the class itself. Now we have brought the plus batch for the bootcamp. In bootcamp we were having these two components where let's say 2 days you will be having classes, then on like rest 4 days apart from Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, there will be 1 hour ka test on these days. We have included in the plus batch, bootcamp plus batch, test series also. So 10 test, full length test, which will be incorporated as per your schedule of the bootcamp only, so that you can give them in order to assess your preparation level. Those are already part of bootcamp can also upgrade to the bootcamp plus by making the difference what against the fees. Okay, now some of you may have the issue, sir, these are not what I can say is, can we have the subject wise test? Beta, already you are giving it daily. Okay, with your classes whatever test you are giving 1 hour wala is nothing but your part length test only. So this is the more practical version of the boot camp, where on Sundays where we are keeping you free, we have incorporated full length test. Okay, so if you have any queries, here is a number which you can go through, 9319178775. You can either call or you can either WhatsApp to ask your queries regarding the bootcamp plus batch or bootcamp batch. Thank you. See you in the batch. Let me tell you, please do not go wrong in the mains preparation. Sometimes you people make your what I can say the classes so bulky. Sometimes you make your notes so bulky. Sometimes you do not work upon your structures. Sometimes you do not work upon your answer writing. Sometimes there is a lack of mentorship guidance in your preparation. Bootcamp will incorporate each and everything. Very practical program, very comprehensive program. Thank you.